This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have administrator rights. Without them, you cannot change firewall rules. Open Windows Defender Firewall or your third-party firewall app and find the section for inbound rules. Next, locate the Fortnite and Epic Games launcher executables on disk so you can reference exact paths when creating rules. Once done, pause on the executable details. Exact paths prevent accidental block. This step sets a clean foundation, so the system knows which programs to allow through the firewall. Now create explicit allow rules for both inbound and outbound traffic for the Epic Games launcher and Fortnite executables. Choose both TCP and UDP protocols where required, and add common Fortnite ports such as 5222 and the range 5795 to 5847. Include platform-specific ports if you use consoles. Make sure you apply rules to the correct network profiles, private for home, public only if necessary. Once rules are saved, restart the game and test connectivity. This direct approach removes firewall interference while minimizing exposure. Finish by restarting both your PC and router to clear cached network sessions, then launch Fortnite and validate matchmaking and patch downloads. If problems persist, temporarily disable the firewall to confirm it's the source, re-enable it immediately after the test. Make sure antivirus or router NAT type is not blocking traffic. Adjust UPnP or port forwarding on the router if NAT is strict. If you still see issues, note the exact error and recheck executable paths and port entries so you can refine the rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.